Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I did just want to talk about one thing. Now, the people that I'm giving this to are going to be watching this video, and not that I think that they would freak out if they knew the price, but I just want you all to know that the prices on something like this is obviously going to be totally different depending on where you are. But I did these for significantly less than $10 a person. And that did take some talking to customer service, but I think it's totally worth it. They got 7 ounces of alphabet pasta, 1 big bottle of blue Captain Crunch maple syrup, 1 package of 10 candy cane or peppermint Peeps, and they also got the big bag of the hot chocolate drops, and 1 package of 2 cinnamon Pop-Tarts. I got all of those things through Amazon and Costco for under $10 a person to get all those things. So I think that's super cool. Even if they don't totally understand the whole elf reference, they can totally use all of these items to make a different dish. Now, one of the people I'm giving this to, I could totally see them actually trying to make this a pasta and mixing everything together, but the idea is that they can take each piece and enjoy them separately. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.